Hi, I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. In this Excel tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit the legend text in a chart. This is especially useful if your legend is taking up too much space, or if you want it to display something different from your column headings. Step 1. Changing the legend by editing your data. The simplest way to change legend text is to edit the column headings in your data. For example, if you change or remove regional sales, the chart legend updates automatically to reflect that. But sometimes you might want to keep your underlying data the same and only change what appears in the legend. Here's how to do that. Step 2. Editing the legend text directly. Select your chart. Go to the Chart Design tab on your ribbon. On some versions, it may just say Design. Click Select Data. In the Select Data Source dialog, you'll see a list of all the series in your chart. Select the first series and click Edit. In the Edit Series dialog box, you'll see series name pointing to a cell in your spreadsheet. Delete that reference and type in the text you want to appear in your legend. Click OK, and you'll see the legend updates while the data in your sheet remains unchanged. Repeat this for all series in your chart. Once done, click OK in the Select Data dialog, and your chart legend will now display the updated text. And that's it. Now your legend shows exactly what you want without changing your original data. Thanks for watching. I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. If you found this tutorial useful, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. That's it. A quick and easy way to switch two values in Excel.